how Soviet scrap tanks are upgraded for the Russia-Ukraine war.
Welcome to Wow Factory Process. Behind me are thousands of Soviet-era tanks left to rot. But next, we're going to show you the underground process.
We are entering the main shaft now.
Clear on all sides. Continue descent to Bay 4.
Deep underground in the Modernization bunker, massive industrial cranes lift the rusted T-72 tank hulks onto the production line. The high-pressure sandblasting is the critical first step, transforming this corroded hull back into a viable war machine.
Chains are secure. Take it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Clear on the left. Keep coming up.
This is the heart transplant phase. We're taking these old hulls and welding on new, thicker armor plates, preparing them for the front lines.
The rust is gone, but this is just an empty shell, needing a massive heart transplant.
Easy now. Bring it left.
Just a fraction forward. Hold it there.
Looks good. Confirmed alignment. Watch the clearance on the right side. Bring it down 5 centimeters. Steady.
Easy. Bring it slightly to the left.
It's in position now.
Secure the mounts.
Torque level confirmed. Fuel line secure. Transmission engaged.
Lines are secure.
And the torque is verified. We are good to go.
Check the alignment on Sector 4.
Reading steady at 20 millimeters.
Keep the pressure steady on that corner. Almost fused. Bring the next plate around.
Check the schematic again. This red wire goes to auxiliary port 7.
7. Confirmed.
Route the yellow bundle through channel 4.
Copy that. Making the connection now.
Check the diagnostic screen, make sure it syncs up.
Phase 3 focuses on the digital brain. Advanced laser rangefinders are installed, and the new tactical screens illuminate.
Thermal camera aligned. Diagnostics are green. The brain is fully integrated.
Our angle measurement is holding at 200. Copy that. Proceeding with the seam.
Thermal camera is secure. Confirm the connection.
Connection confirmed. System initializing. Laser alignment next.
Raw power and a digital brain are not enough. The real secret lies in the ultimate survival armor.
Hold it right there, just a little to the left. Okay, starting the tack weld now. Clear the area.
Aligning now, hold steady.
Looks good. Start bolting sequence.
Engaging bolts. Bring the next block up.
Positioning now.
Start bolting sequence. Ensure alignment.
We are now in phase 4, the armor integration. Explosive reactive armor blocks are bolted onto the front glacis.
Connections confirmed on the thermal array. Diagnostic check complete. System is fully operational.
System check complete. All parameters nominal. The digital brain is fully operational.
Team, report status.
Ready, sir.
Okay, let's light her up.
We did it! The armor is integrated!
Well Yeah! We did it! Hooray! Look at her go! Yes, we did it! It works, it actually works!
The triumph of operation is complete. Subscribe, like the video, and join the Wow Factory Process family. And there it is, from rusted scrap to modern beast. Subscribe, like, and join the family.
And there you have it, the T-72 is ready for the front lines. Join us in supporting the modernization effort.
Production note: every frame in this video has been transformed through the careful multiple stages creative process, from the concept development and GIF planning to VO3 generation and final editing. Human creativity leads every step. This channel is too committed to organical, original AI craftsmen and the policy-friendly content creation.
These upgrades ensure victory. Join us in supporting our defense efforts. The fight continues, and with these upgrades, victory is assured. Join us in supporting the front lines.